97% of content marketers plan to use AI this year. But here's the split no one talks about. Some teams save 11 hours per week and publish 42% more content. Others save almost nothing. The difference isn't the tool, it's the prompt. These 10 prompts close that gap starting right now. These 10 prompts cover the 5 workflows that eat the most writer hours. 1. Content planning, content briefs, and monthly editorial calendars built in minutes, not hours. 2. Long-form writing, detailed blog outlines and introduction hooks that kill the blank page problem. 3. Copywriting and conversion, email subject lines across 5 psychological approaches, and landing page headlines that address your readers' top objection. 4. SEO and metadata, meta descriptions and title tags batch written to exact character counts. 5. Editing and quality, brand voice alignment checks and readability rewrites that hit your target grade level, and the data backs it up. HubSpot's 2026 report confirms marketers save 6.1 hours per week. Power users save over 9. A MIT study found AI improved writing task completion by 40%. Content agencies report 45% faster production when AI generates the outline first, and Ahrefs found teams save an average of $480 per blog post in production costs. But here's the catch. 63% of marketers say AI content may contain factual errors. The productivity gain is real. The fact-checking responsibility doesn't transfer to the AI. Every claim needs a human eye before it goes live. Quick highlights. The Content Brief Builder gives you an H1 keyword targets and section structure. The blog outline generator produces section-by-section detail with word count targets, key points, and where to insert real data. The email subject line generator creates 10 variants across 5 psychological approaches with a one-line explanation for each. The meta description writer gives you 5 options under 155 characters, and the brand voice check get paragraph by paragraph markup of every sentence. One trick that changes everything. Load a brand voice block at the start of every AI session, 2 sentences describing your brand and audience. Every prompt after that automatically matches your voice. ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini all save this permanently. Now, the safety rule. Never paste unreleased product details, client NDAs, or customer data. Describe the task at a general level. Keep context in your own systems. The AI generates structure and style. You provide the substance and truth. Don't try all 10 at once. Start with the task that creates the most friction. If it's briefs, start with prompt 1. Use that one prompt for 2 weeks with real content. Measure what you saved. Then add the next. The 44% productivity gain doesn't come from novelty. It comes from building a repeatable practice, one prompt at a time. AI doesn't replace your voice. It removes the friction around it, so more hours go toward the expertise only you can provide. All 10 prompts are linked in the description. Like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz. It really helps us grow.